Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is updated and backed up. This prevents surprises. Once done, unlock the phone, open Settings, and tap Phone to access call controls. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus profiles are off so they don't mask results while testing. While you're in Phone, note where call blocking and identification and silence unknown callers live. These are the first controls you'll use. Follow each step in order to avoid duplicating effort or missing app permissions. Now you take action. Enable silence unknown callers to send unidentified numbers to voicemail. This reduces spam immediately. Next, open Recents or Contacts, tap the info icon and choose Block this caller to stop repeat offenders. Then install a reputable spam blocking app, grant it call blocking and identification permission in Settings, and toggle its switches so iOS uses its filters. You do this because system blocks plus third-party intelligence catch different kinds of spam calls and protect your line. To finish, test your setup by calling from a different number and then review blocked contacts and your filter app's quarantine to confirm it worked. Make sure apps and iOS stay updated so spam definitions improve over time. You'll see fewer false negatives. If spam still gets through, contact your carrier and ask about network-level spam blocking or call labeling services. Combining device and carrier defenses gives the best protection. One troubleshooting tip: reboot after major changes to apply settings reliably.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.